Enjoy the view of this 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee, the stylish all-terrain SUV that blends comfort, high performance, and rugged capability. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: panoramic roof, lane departure warning, hands-free liftgate, navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moon roof, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, cooled front seat, power liftgate. Experience the freedom of off-road exploration in the Grand Cherokee. Take a test drive today.